Hello everyone. Here we are going to see how to create a data frame. So first of all, in the previous tutorial we have already seen there is a method that is data frame. So to create an empty data frame, D is equal to, here D is an object of a data frame, D is equal to pd dot data frame, and on printing it what you will get simply an empty data frame. So the first method we are going to see is creating a data frame using list. So first of all, you always have to write this command, that is import pandas as pd. The first I am going to write declare a list 1 2 3 4 and d1 is equal to pd dot data frame li. Very simple. You just have to pass the list inside that. So on printing this, what you will get, a default index that is 0 1 2 3 and a default name of the column that is 0 and the data of the list. So if you are using a simple list, then that list will be converted to a single column. Is that clear? Now declaring the same above list by specifying the name of the column. How to do? Same pd.data frame. Here I am specifying the index also and name of the column also. So to do that, we are going to use two parameters of the data frame, that is index and then column. So here index is equal to, I have given the following name, and then column is equal to, here I have specified the following name. So on printing this, you can see here. Now the by default index is now changed to the label which we have specified here, and the name of the column is also, which was previously 0, now it is call 1. You can see it is specified over here. Now next is creating a data frame using list of list. That means here we are going to use the nested list. So here I have created a list with name L. So this is the first sublist, the second sublist, and the third sublist. Is that clear? Now what we will do, pd.data frame, we will pass the data, that is data is list, then column is equal to, here we are specifying the name of the column as name, age and city. Remember that each sublist inside a list is treated as a row. Okay, this is one single row, this is the next row, and this is the third row. Is that clear? First row, second row and third row. So on specifying this, you can see here 0 1 2, that is the default index, and here we are giving the name of the column, that is name, age and city. So Ansh, 40 and BSP. So you can see that a single list here is treated as a single row. Next, creating a data frame using dictionary. So if you remember the previous tutorial of a series, when we are using the dictionary, their keys are treated as index. Here, keys of the dictionary will be treated as the name of the column. Okay. Now, so you just see the following code. Here I have created the dictionary, that is name, and then Rohan comma Raj comma Rohit, and then age 20 comma 21 comma 23. So this name and age will be the label of column, and the index is as it is the by default one. So you can see the following data frame when printing this. Is that clear? Next is creating a data frame using list of dictionaries. This is little bit complex. You need to understand this. Here I am declaring a list which consists of the dictionary as an item. So the first item, second item, third item and the fourth item. Here each item of the list will be treated as a row. Is that clear? And you always remember this, that whenever we are using the dictionary, key will be always treated as the column name with data frame. So here in the first data, that means the first row, this will be treated as the first row. In first row we have Ajay, that is the name of the column, and the data of that column is 20, and then again Rohan, that is again the name of the column, and the data is 30. So we have the first row which have the data 20 and 30. So you can see here 20 and 30. Is that clear? And the next item of the list again, which is the second row, okay, it only consists of the single key, that is Rohan, and there is no value for Ajay. So in place of Ajay, by default Pandas is inserting NAN, okay, not a number, and in place of Rohan, that means under the Rohan column it is specifying 35. Is that clear? The next item, that is the next row, consists of only 40. for the column Ajay. So it is specifying here Ajay, but there is no value for Rohan. So again it is specifying NaN. And in the last row, it specifies the value for Ajay column and Rohan column both. So it is specifying 45 and 40. I hope you understood this. If you not understood, then please let me know. Now in the next list, if you will say, again, it consists of the following dictionary. The first dictionary, that means the first row. Again, next dictionary till here, that is the second row, and this will be treated as the third row. Now let us find out the keys. What are the keys here? 2 and then 3. That means we have a column name with 2 and we have the column name with 3. Now next, come to the next row. Again we have the column as 3. Okay, this data will go under the column 3. And the last row, it has the column name as 2 and 4. So here you have a new column, that is 4. So let us see that how it is represented. On printing this, simply we have three columns, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, the first row does not have value for 4. So what it is specifying? It is specifying only the first data and the second data, and in place of 4 it is specifying here NaN, because it does not have any value for fourth column. Okay, now in the second row, it only has the value for the third column. So it is specifying the value for the third column, that is EA comma F, does not have value for 2 and 4. So NaN and NaN. And in the last row, it has the value for the column 2 and 4. So it is specifying here I comma J, and for 3 it is specifying NaN, and for last it is specifying G comma H. Is that clear? Remember, whenever you are using list and inside some dictionary, then that complete one single dictionary will be treated as a row. Is that clear? Okay. Next is creating a data frame from dictionary of series. This is the new one. Okay. What we will do, we will create the following series. You all know that when using the dictionary for creating series, then key will be treated as the index. Is that clear? Okay. So the first series is S1 is equal to PD dot series Rahul colon 80, Rohan colon 90, and so on. So we have the two series over here. Again the keys are same. You will notice that both the series we have kept the key same. So on creating this, first of all I will show you that creating a data frame using a single series, the normal one. So D is equal to PD dot data frame S1. So what it is simply doing here, in place of index it is specifying here Rahul, Rohan and Arya. Is that clear? Because why? Because this index is given by the series, and how this series is getting this index? By using this keys of a dictionary. Is that clear? Now in the second example, if you will see, I have used the same series. Okay, now D is equal to PD dot data frame. Here I am using the dictionary, and in the first key is marks. That means this will be treated as a column because we are using it inside the data frame, and you know that when we are using dictionary inside the data frame, then keys of the data frame will be treated as the column. So we have here first column as marks, and inside that first column what we are passing? S1. And what is S1? The series 1. And in second, the next key is age, that means the next column is age, and inside that the next series, that is S2. So on printing this, you can see marks and age, the column, and the data of marks and the data of age, and this is the index which is by default given by series. Is that clear? So write all these concepts in your copy, and if you find any difficulty in any topic, then please let me know in group. Thank you.